Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G for Straight Talk. So the Galaxy Z Flip3 is not here at Straight Talk, which I'm surprised that it is on Straight Talk, but it is here if you guys are interested in getting a unique form factor of a smartphone here. So it's available now for $999, so that's the full retail price of the Galaxy Z Flip3 5G. The model number is F711U1. So this is pretty cool if you guys are looking to get like a unique phone factor here. If you guys are looking to get some nostalgic feeling here, the Z Flip3 is the phone for you because it has that flip phone design. So that's pretty cool if you guys want some nostalgic old school stuff there in terms of like flip phone design. You know, it does have a full screen on it, obviously on the inside of it, of course. But if you guys want that flip phone feeling, the Z Flip3 is the phone for you. So anyways, it's available in black. And there's the phone right there. You guys have a front facing camera somewhere in there, like right here somewhere. You get your earpiece above that. There it is, and it's I think what they call it, the flex mode or something like that. So that's pretty cool. And then there it is with it being open. On the other side of it, you guys have dual cameras on the phone there. So once you guys to take selfies and stuff with this camera here. So you guys get a dual camera setup along with a camera flash. Of course, you do get that flip design there, right there. There's your hand right there. You do get a secondary screen as well on the phone, which is right here, so you can take pictures and videos with the screen there on the outside. You can check phone calls from this and all that cool stuff. Flexible meets fortified. Folds into your pocket, tucks into your purse, slips into your skinniest jeans. Then you can take it out and it flip open into a full screen 5G smartphone and flexes to your favorite angles. If it sounds like we thought the phone, we did. Now it's a statement. So okay, they're showing the Galaxy Z Fold 3 here. Okay. It's kind of interesting. I don't know why they're showing the Z Fold 3 here. Start talking about we getting that phone too. Holy shit. That's cool, I guess. So it has 26 hours of battery. Bluetooth, I say 5.1, 5.0, something like that. 3300 mAh battery. It's fast charging up to 15 watt, 10 watt wireless charging. It does have power share, of course. Snapdragon 888 processor, GPS. Talk time 26 hours, 128 gigabytes of storage, 256 gigabytes of storage. And it has 8 gigabytes of RAM, 183 grams of weight. So I guess Straight Talk has both versions, but the $999 version, I guess it's the 128 gigabyte version, I believe it is. I think, because only show like one price. So in the box, y'all guys get your Galaxy Z Flip3 5G prepaid smartphone, data cable, and the ejection pin. And you guys also get books and two and stuff like that in there. But other than that, there's no charging brick and nothing like that. So you're pretty standard packaging from Samsung here. So they show the Z Flip3 right here, but they show the Z Fold 3 above. I don't know why that is. I don't know if Straight Talk is getting that phone or not. It'd be cool if they do. So compact form factor. That's usually awesome and 4.2-inch folded compact design delivers the ultimate portability for every move you make. Iconic cover screen, the 1.9-inch cover screen displays various notifications and lets you intuitively interact with them. You can also take selfies using the dual rear camera and see the preview on the iconic cover screen. More durable outer materials, Galaxy Z Flip3 5G made with strongest aluminum frame on are foldables, protecting the hand so you can unfold and focus on important things. The front cover and back cover on Galaxy Z Flip3 5G are made of the toughest glass on Galaxy Z. Alright. You do have flux mode on there. It says take photos more easily than you ever could before with flux mode. With a steady hand built in, all you have to do is adjust the angle and step back for hands-free selfies, so that is pretty cool. Yeah. So if you guys are looking to get like a unique smartphone experience, the Galaxy Z Flip3 is the phone for you to check out. It's now available at Straight Talk for $999.99. I think that's the 128 gigabyte price. I'm not really sure. It said it lists 2 storage options, 128 gigs or 256 gigs. I guess Straight Talk will sell both. So if I can find the prices of the storage options, I will have them listed below in the description box. So check that out for accurate pricing. So yeah, if you guys want a unique smartphone experience, the Galaxy Z Flip3 is a phone for you. If you guys want some nostalgic feeling of a phone, this has the flip phone factor for that. You know, it has the flip phone thing, so if you're on a call, you could just close the phone when you're done talking to somebody on the phone. You know, that's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm surprised that Straight Talk got the Galaxy Z Flip3. I'm surprised that they got it. I went to their website and went to their phones and I saw it there, so I was like, alright, cool. So yeah, the Galaxy Z Flip3 5G is now here on Straight Talk for $999.99. I think Straight Talk is on 2 storage options, I believe. I could be wrong though, because it lists 2 storage options and then the spec sheet down below. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.